Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are taking a closer look at Click Widgets, a site that claims you can make money online just by clicking ads or doing simple tasks. But is Click Widgets really worth it in 2025? So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to be understand what actually is Click Widgets. So it is a website that promises to pay you for clicking ads, watching videos, filling out surveys, and sometimes referring friends. Basically, it's a part of the get paid to or GPT site trend that's been around for years. How actually it works? The idea is simple. You can sign up for free and log in and start completing small tasks for each click or ad view. They say you earn a few cents. Some versions of click wages also offer referral bonus if you get other people to sign up. But here's the catch. These sites usually pay very little per click, so you need a lot of clicks to cash out actually. So now let's talk about is it worth your time? So click wages, honestly, if you are hoping to make real income, probably not. The pay is very low compared to the time you spend. For most people, it is better to focus on legit side hustler like freelancing, selling digital product, or even a learning new skill to boost your income. And that's it for the quick click wages review. If you have used it, drop a comment, share your experience. I would love to hear if you actually get paid. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I will see you in the next one.